I'm pretty sure you've seen these AI epoxy floor transformations, house construction, or even these insane backyard builds all over your feed. These niches have created some of the biggest faceless channels on YouTube, and there are plenty of videos teaching people exactly how to do it. So instead of chasing what everyone else is already doing, we combine those niches into something completely new. We're taking the transformation format and applying it to random everyday objects, like turning a massive Rubik's Cube into a luxury room or a giant banana into a tiny house, while the competition is basically zero right now. And before I reveal the insane numbers, let me show you what I created in just 10 minutes using only AI.
Okay, drop it there.
Now here's why I'm excited about this. Take a look at this channel right here. He has got a total of 21 million views with only 14 videos. And this one, which started just 3 months ago, has received more than 400 million views, making around $10,000 every single month. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process behind it. And instead of jumping between 5 different tools like most people do, I found an AI tool that handles images, videos, and even your YouTube publishing, all from the same dashboard. And because I genuinely want to see you grow, I'll be giving away 3 pro subscriptions of this tool. I'll explain exactly how you can participate and win one for free later in this video. So make sure you stick around for that. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. Now these object transformation shorts are going viral because of how satisfying it looks. It usually includes random topics like turning a giant papaya into a house, a rusty fridge into a luxury room, or transforming a massive tree log into a hidden room. So to come up with such viral ideas, we'll use ChatGPT. I've actually created a master document that contains all the prompts I'm using in this video, so you don't have to figure anything out yourself. You can grab it later from the description. All you have to do is copy the very first prompt and paste it straight into ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, you'll have a list of video ideas that are already engineered to hook viewers. I always go with the idea that makes me genuinely curious about the ending. Alright, now the most important part of this entire process is the visual prompts. And I have a formula already ready for this step. All you need to do is copy the second prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder with your idea. Now what happens next is honestly kind of insane. It generates detailed, structured visual prompts for every single scene in your video. They're written to stay consistent, so your video has that polished, professional look rather than feeling like a random collection of AI images stitched together. Also, there's one small trick in this process that makes these videos look insanely realistic, which I'll show you in a minute. But this is where the real magic happens. Instead of switching between 5 other tools for images and videos, I'm going to fast-track my process by using videoinu. It's an all-in-one AI tool that brings together multiple AI models like Kling 3, Veo, and much more into one place, so you don't have to keep switching between different tools. And one feature I found pretty useful is their YouTube Copilot. It helps you find similar high-performing videos in your niche, and can even generate titles, descriptions, and thumbnails while letting you publish videos directly from the platform. Also, here's a quick reminder. In the next few minutes, I'll share the exact giveaway requirements, where you can get the chance to use this AI tool for free. So once you sign up using my link in the description, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Alright, inside the dashboard, head to the image section. For the model, I'll be using Nano Banana Pro, as it gives more realistic and consistent results. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy and paste the image prompt from scene 1. Then, select the 9:16 aspect ratio and choose the image resolution. Lastly, hit the Generate button. And honestly, the results are way better than I expected. The details, the lighting, everything looks super clean and realistic. But really quick, if you're still watching, you're part of the 10% who actually take action. If you want to see more new AI tools, trending niches, and faceless automation strategies every week, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now this is where that small trick comes in. Once an image is generated, use it as a reference when creating the next one. This is how you keep everything consistent throughout the video. Then simply go back to ChatGPT, copy and paste the remaining image prompts from various scenes, and repeat this process until all of your images have been generated. Lastly, save and organize them in a single folder. Now the next step is animating the images, and this is where I want you to pay close attention. Head over to the video section inside videoinu and select the image to video option. Then upload our first generated image as a reference, and copy and paste the Scene 1 video prompt. Now select a video model. I'll recommend choosing the VO 3.1 model as it delivers the required results for this niche. Next, choose your aspect ratio and video resolution. Lastly, hit the Generate button. And seriously, I didn't expect this to look so good. The transition feels smooth, and it genuinely feels like something is being built in real time. Now you just repeat this for all your scenes. Simply upload an image as reference, paste the matching video prompt, and generate the animation. Once everything is done, organize all your clips just like you did with the images. Now, let's move on to the final step, where we put everything together. And to be honest, this part is quite easy. Because we've already created and organized everything in order, all you have to do is place your clips one after the other on the timeline. Once that's done, start trimming and adjusting them to make sure the flow feels smooth. You can give some clips a time-lapse effect by increasing their speed slightly. So after a few more changes, this is how my timeline looks. Now select all of the video clips and crop them slightly to remove any watermarks. You can also add sound effects like I did to make the transformations feel more satisfying and real. So once everything looks good, all you have to do is export the video. And while that's rendering, here's how you can win one of the 3 Pro subscriptions. First, sign up for videoinu using the link in the description. Then, leave a comment below telling me what you like about this tool and what improvements you'd want to see. And finally, make sure you've hyped this video. I'll be picking 3 winners from the comments, so make sure you complete all the steps. Alright, the video is ready. Here's how it looks. And that's how easy it is to create object transformation shorts using only AI tools. You now have the exact blueprint and the perfect prompts. The channels already in it are making serious money from it. And right now, there's a real opportunity to get in before it becomes saturated like the other transformation niches. I want you to actually make something, not just watch the video and move on. Also, if you want to fast-track the process, I've linked videoinu in the description, along with my master document. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to AI Upskill. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.